Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Wildcat Max from Forest River. Double slide fifth wheel, model 250 RDX. It's a rear living slash rear dinette floor plan with lots of windows, all season installation. You gotta check these out. They got 2-inch thick sidewalls. That means no delamination, no wobblies down the side. Real fiberglass cap with automotive style paint on the front. Not gonna fade out. We've got LED lights built right in. Down the sides, you can see the new style tattoo graphics. The cap, of course, it's new colors too. Tinted glass. We've got basement storage compartments with slam latches. And hey, unique concept. Instead of lifting it up over your head, we can access it right here. And it's all finished off inside. This is aluminum frame construction. You just can't see it because they finish it off so well. We have outside speakers. You can see the light rope behind the awning there. Power awning. What do we have here? Oh, take a look down the other way. Get the button right. Here we go. This little compartment has a trash pail, and we'll get into that when we go inside. We've got alloy wheels. There's our leveling system. Front leveling power, rear leveling power, awning power. The back side here, it's got the flip down rack. We like those because you can bring the bicycle, the golf clubs, the raft, that sort of thing. And there's that big window we mentioned earlier. Here's a shot of the slide outs from the back side. You can see nice roomy RV, but not too big. You're not getting into that super heavy duty tow vehicle, because these are the half-ton series. There's the model 250 RDX. Let's walk inside, but first notice it's got these solid steps, and they are just that. These things, they don't give it all when you step on them. Very stable. Here's our rear dinette. Cup holders built right in. The table does drop down to make this a bed, but imagine the view of the river instead of chain link fence here. Overhead, we've got glass face cabinets with hidden hinges. All the window treatments matched throughout this coach. We have a love seat across from electric fireplace and flat panel TV. More storage up above, as well as a control panel here right where you walk in. You can turn your lights on and off. It does come with a remote too, which you can operate the slide outs, the leveling, the lights, that kind of thing. Notice the slide. Not only does it house a sofa bed, we also have this additional storage, like a pull-out pantry. These are great because you don't have your canned goods scattered all over the inside of the coach when you finally stop towing it. Wood fascia on the refrigerator freezer, as well as fascia trim, wood fascia trim around the outside of the slide out. Solid surface countertops. Also have the gooseneck flex hose with the big farmer style sink, stainless steel sink. Remember that garbage pail outside? Voila, there it is down below. Just scoop your table scraps there, and easy to throw away later. Stainless steel on the oven, the 3-burner stove, stainless in the microwave, more storage up above. Pantry storage galore. See the hidden hinges there? Just something a little nicer. One of the small things you gotta look for, but it's there. We've got a little place to kick your shoes off here. Extended step, 3 steps up, and our other slide out. You'll notice this is all wardrobe. Well, almost all. There is a window in here, but all this additional storage on top of, they're not there. That's right. Look, you have no wardrobes here, so the bed is easy to make, easy to get in and out. We got nightstands with charging units and a plug-in, storage underneath, but all your wardrobes are going to be right here instead of on the sides of the bed, giving you a lot more room in that whole headboard area. There's directional reading lights there as well, as you can see, and right behind me here we can walk right into the bathroom. There is a door, a dividing door. It's got the new style glass shower, has a skylight over the top to let in lots of light. Also power exhaust fan. There's a foot flush toilet, as well as a towel rack. We've got medicine cabinet here, our sink, and then we just open the door and voila, we're back out into the main living area of this 2018 Wildcat Max 250 RDX, and it's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.